So we just play connect the dots.
Okay.
Ready to roll?
Yep.
Cool. All right, go ahead and put it in automatic for me, just like that. And we're gonna let it do the rest. Just hang out. This car is so much fun. How are we doing on gas? Appetite?
Yep.
We're gonna follow the Ferrari. Roll on it. You feel those brakes? They grab real well.
Yep, they do.
If you press
kind
it,
of got a feel of it.
yeah. If you press them halfway, they feel like your street car.
Gotcha.
What's your street car?
Say what?
What's your street car?
Porsche Cayenne.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
You ever get that into the ABS? Like really lock up the brakes?
It's an SUV. I tell everyone it's an SUV. It's not a, even though it's got a Porsche logo on it.
I know. I've driven them. I've driven that car on a racetrack.
I wouldn't take mine on a racetrack.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of miles on it, and it's an 05, so.
Okay, yeah. That's a nice car to be dealing with.
Oh, I love it.
This car's pretty tame too. It's just a big sedan with a big pair of turbos.
Yeah.
It moves pretty good. If we do have to pass, if we pass by anyone on track, you're just gonna listen to me.
Gotcha.
If we're gonna be passed, I'm gonna tell you to move to one side or the other, lift all the way off the throttle, and I'm gonna point them by. They're gonna be gone in a flash.
Okay.
If they're behind you, it's because they're faster. Like they've caught us. They've probably done it once or twice. That's usually what makes for faster drivers.
Okay.
If we have to pass anyone, it's gonna be a similar thing. You're gonna wait until I tell you to pass.
Okay.
Cool. If I stop talking to you, it's because I got voices in my head. I'm listening to the radio. They're on their last lap. We got about 60 seconds so you can relax.
Am I in manual mode or automatic?
You're in automatic mode. Transmission is set. Everything is good here, yep.
Yeah, the only reason I asked because I saw M on the dash.
Yeah, you should be. You're in,
Okay.
yeah, you're in automatic. Good. So we're just going to leave them a little bit of space as we roll out. That gives us more room to have fun. You just back off here a little bit. Yeah, just stay on your side and just kind of coast down here for a second. We're giving ourselves more racetrack to play with.
Gotcha.
You can see the first green cone over on your side. There's going to be one of those at the apex of every single corner. As I said, there's a pair of double yellow cones out there on my side. We're going to play connected dots. We're going to go from this cone out to those double yellows on my side. Good, we can start building up the pace. Good, nice. A little bit more throttle, a little bit more throttle. And then let's hit those brakes really good. Let's get a good feel. All right, so that was 40% of the brakes.
Okay.
Bring it all the way in tight. This section is banked. We can get a good feel for the car. It'll go wherever you point it. So let's pick up the pace. Good, nice. You see those orange cones out ahead of you? They're on your side. We're gonna make this corner as wide as possible, starting on your side, bringing it all the way into my side, and then back out to your side as we roll into the gas. Go ahead, more gas, more gas. Good. And then lift here, and just kind of let the car coast through these two tight sections. We want to leave more room. We don't want to be right on the curbing like that. These cars are low. We don't want to damage them. So stay tight over to my side. 1, 2, 3 cones. So there's the second. We're waiting for the third cone. Let it track out and floor it. There we go. Lift and hard brakes. Hard brakes, hard brakes. Good. Remember, the harder you brake, the faster we'll end up going. Let it track out to my side and then into your side. This is our rhythm section. The smoother we are here, the faster we can go through the S's. So we can pick up the pace a little bit. Nice. Good job. That's it. Next one's going to be on my side. You can see these green cones out ahead of us. Next one's going to be on your side. And then my side. Nice. Keep up your pace. You don't have to be afraid of it. Start. You got to trust it. And floor it. Good. Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Lift. And then hard brake. Harder, harder. Really brake hard. That's more like it. This section is tight. It's going to go to your side first, and then very quickly come back to my side. You need to leave more room from those curves.
Got it.
All right. As we come to the bottom of this, we're going to sweeping left-hand corner to your side. We're going to have a little chicane. set of cones. As we come through those cones, we're gonna get things nice and straight, and we're gonna floor it all the way down the straightaway. Good. Nice and clear of those cones. Get things straight, roll under the throttle, and floor it. Stay on the gas, stay on the gas. I'll tell you when you need to brake. Stay on the gas until I tell you. Just stay on the gas, you're doing great. Gas, gas, gas. Stay on it, stay on it. Lift off the gas, hard brake. Harder, 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 really brake them. Harder, harder, harder. Press that there. Right there at the end, that's how we want it to feel. Good. Carry the speed in, and then let it track out. Roll into the gas. Gas, gas, gas. Good. Now lift and brake. Nice and smooth inputs. Gets this car around the track very fast. Good job. 1, 2, 3 cones. There's the second, third one's up on the wall. Nice. Look for the orange cone way ahead. That helps bring your speed up. Oh, it's going to be over on your side. Good job. And then we're coming back to my side. Look up and see the next cone all the way on the outside and bring the speed up just a little bit. Good. And let the car do the work through these S's. Nice. 1 and then 2. Keep it tight for 3 cones. 1. Keep it tight, 2. Again, for the third cone, open the wheel and floor it. Good. Lift, and then brake hard. Over to your side, and then out to mine. Let's build the speed up a little bit more. We're going to carry some speed through these S's. We're going to let the car do the work. So build the speed up. Get your eyes up. See those next 3 green cones? Here's one here. The next one's on my side. And then that last one's going to be on your side. Good job. Keep this pace up. Keep this pace up. This is really good. We're on the back straight, and you can floor it. Go ahead. Gas, gas, gas. Gas, 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 gas. Lift, and then brake. Good. That's much better on the brakes. That was a good second lap. This section is tight, and then comes right back to my side. Good. All right, we're coming up on our third lap on the straightaway. We're going to try to roll through that chicane just a little bit faster on the exit and get a rolling head start on those. A little bit slower coming in, and we want to be fast out. Slow in, fast out. So slow in, and then start rolling on it, start rolling, and go. Floor it. Good. Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Go, go, go. Gas, gas, gas. Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Gas, gas, gas. Left. Hard brake. Hard brake, hard brake. Harder, harder. Use those supercar brakes. Good. Let the speed carry into the floor. Good job. Now let it track out. Let it track out and floor it. Good. Lift and then brake. I think you're ready to own a supercar all the way in. Could you drive this every day?
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah, okay.
Maybe as a weekend car.
Weekend car.
Because I drive 50 miles one way a day, so...
This would get expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't keep my uncle's Corvette.
Yeah. Yeah, good speed here. You feel how well this thing handles the corners,
Yes.
though? Good job. Come all the way into my side. Nice. Third cone, open the wheel up and floor it. Good. Nice. A little bit of brakes and take it into your side. Nice and smooth as we start to build up the speed for those S's. Start to build up the speed. Nice. Good. More speed, more speed, more speed. A little bit of gas. Good. Maintain that speed right there. Good. Back at your side, and the next one's going to be my side. Keep the speed up. Keep the speed up. Back straight and floor it. One last time. Floor it. Nice. Stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Left. Hard brake. Harder, harder. Really brake. There we go. That's supercar braking. Tight to your side, and then back to mine. Good job. Woo! I've got a big Nissan grin on my face. Like it just says Nissan on my helmet. Alright, this time as we come through the chicane, you're going to stay to the left. That lets them know that we're definitely going to the pits. Good job.
Thank you.
Woo!
That was extreme for sure.
Yes.
I knew that there was something I loved about this car.
All right. So we're gonna pull up to an orange cone on our right and get our pictures taken. And share on Facebook, tell all your friends just how fast you are in the race car.